Hi, in this video I will explain the difference between Squarespace and other hosting providers. So Hostgator, Siteground, Bluehost and Squarespace are two different tools. Hostgator, Bluehost, Siteground are web hosting providers, which is like a storage that stores your website's content. Squarespace is a website builder which provides you storage to store your website with web design tools. Website builders are better for beginners or those who need to put a stylish site together quickly. Hosting services offer super cheap prices starting at $2.75 per month. That's for store your website. You can buy domain from them for extra fee or from different provider. You can design a website from WordPress and connect payment solutions after that. But it's a bit technical task and needs to have a decent knowledge about web development and other technical details, not suitable for beginners. But in Squarespace, it's all in one solution, so you won't need to sign up for any other services. You can buy domain from them, host your website on their storage and design a website through their designer tools, and also easily connect payment solutions. It's very beginner friendly and expertly designed templates make it quick and easy to get a professional site live. But their cost is higher because of these additional features. The lowest package costs $23 per month, but it's suitable for beginners. So I hope you enjoy this quick video. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.